Okay, so I'm going to restore a database. I have a backup already. So clicking the restore database, change to device options, select the file what I have it, and choose the backup media type as file and select the file. Once it is ready, and it's better to change the name differently from what you have it. So click OK here, and database restored successfully. That's it. That is the confirmation. You'll get it, and down below you'll see the new database got created. From this one you will see the list of tables already from the backup whatever you have it before. Customers tables everything. To validate, you just try to check it out whether the database has the records everything as before. Okay, so this is about how to restore a backup, the existing backup, to create a new database. Okay, so hope this video helpful for you. Please let me know. Thank you for any questions.